table, ठीक है. But the problem is this कि today what happens ना, right now I have my another phone, ठीक है, एप्पल वाला है यार, इसको कनेक्ट करने में दिक्कत होती है. और जो एंड्रॉयड वाला फोन है वो एंड्रॉयड वाले फोन में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, राइट? सो दैट्स राइट. Tomorrow onwards everything will be okay. Okay, I hope lighting is better, right guys? All of you can lighting is good ना? Okay, good, ठीक है. हाँ, क्योंकि इससे पहले अंधेरा इतना होता था, मतलब वो अगर शक्तिमान सीरियल तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा तो उसमें एक डायलॉग आता है, अंधेरा कायम रहे, वैसी कुछ फीलिंग आती थी यहाँ पे खड़े हो. ओके, शक्तिमान देखा है तुम लोगों ने? नहीं देखा? ओके, ठीक है. No, I'm not working from home. I'm present in Idle Point. See, we are right now we are doing recording in two rooms. Clear? ये एक particular room है, that is your room number 2, and there is another room, which is the better one. ठीक है? तो कल से एक काम करेंगे, इस रूम में रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर देंगे, क्योंकि इसमें I told you, whenever I take the lecture, I get the same feeling. अंधेरा कायम रहे, something like that. मतलब because light problem is there, obviously. See, actually I observed last class lecture and feeling वही आती थी जैसे मतलब अंधेरे में बैठ करके कहीं तरफ गांजा बेच रहे हैं. That's all. Right now we are not recording this. We are talking offline. Okay, nothing is going official. So whatever you want to say, you can say. No problem at all. Like your feelings. Actually we have two rooms. तो ये थोड़ा सा डार्क रूम है ना, इसमें थोड़ा डार्क फैंटेसी, वो चॉकलेट आती है ना डार्क फैंटेसी, वैसा ही डार्क फैंटेसी वाला रूम है ये. लेकिन नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल ट्राई टू कंडक्ट अ लेक्चर इन द डिफरेंट रूम. ओके गाइस, शक्तिमान विल कम टू सेव यू सर. ओके, ठीक है. ओके, सो सी यार, शक्तिमान यार, जब मैं तुम लोग की एज का था तो शक्तिमान आता था. उस समय बहुत सारे टीवी सीरियल्स वगैरह नहीं आते थे, वही एक पर्टिकुलर सीरियल था. तो जल्दी मेरा कॉलेज 4 बजे तक का होता था, मैं 3 बजे ही बाउंड्री, आई जंप द बाउंड्री एट 3 o'clock और निकल लेता था मैं. एक्चुअली आई वाज वेरी एक्टिव स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम डार्कनेस. ओके, ठीक है. फिजिकली, मेंटली आई वाज टोटली एक्टिव. So mentally I was there in school up to 3 o'clock. Then physically I used to jump the boundary at 3:50 and directly go to my home. Okay guys, so see here. Okay, ठीक है, चलो अब क्लास शुरू कर ले भाई. Okay. Right. Anyone has any doubt? Okay, first of all, before starting the lecture, just let me know if there is any student who has any doubt. Just let me know, फटाफट. Okay, Aman is telling me he has some doubt, like what? Okay, so many Amans are there, no doubt. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, I'm talking about the scalars and vectors. Clear? I'm talking about the scalars and vectors. Do you guys have any doubt in that particular sheet? Please, sheet number 1. No doubt you want to answer, to recheck your answer. Okay, sister, just let me know. I think in last class we had solved up to question number 17. So which one is the next one? After 17, just type in the chat box. Let's type in the chat box question number 18. Okay, Aboli is telling me question number 18. Vanita, okay, Vanita, no doubt means you solved all the questions. That's good. Okay, very good, very nice. So guys, see here, let's start with question number 18. So these were our, okay, recording has been started. Okay, right. So question number 18, see here, what is the question? Try to understand. Actually, what they are trying to say, the magnitude of the vectors A, B and C are 3, 4 and 5 units if A plus B plus C equals to A plus B equals to C is the angle between A and B. I think it's the same question guys. We did it already. See here, what is the question? The magnitude of vectors A, B and C are 3, 4 and 5 units and A plus B equals to C. So see here, first of all, what we are supposed to do, we will follow vector law of addition. Clear guys? What was the vector law of addition? Draw the first vector, then second vector, then connect the starting point to the ending point and we have our resultant vector. Clear guys? Let's follow the same thing. You have been given like vector A plus vector B equals to vector C. Okay, one more thing, the most important point. सभी स्टूडेंट्स को डीपीपी मिली या नहीं? like in last class few students were there who were telling me ki sir, okay, all the students, is there any student जिसको अभी तक DPP नहीं मिली है? Okay, everybody got it. That's good. That's good. Keep it up. That's good. Okay, right, guys. Because DPP is important, and this Sunday you have your test paper also, right? ID point का पहला test paper. Good. Okay. चलो ठीक है. चलो come back to the board. See here, the relationship is something like this: A plus B equals to C. What does it mean? As I told you, vector law of addition. Draw the first vector, then second vector, and then you will have resultant vector. And the additional information is the magnitude of vector A is 3 units. Magnitude of vector B is 4 units. And magnitude of vector C is 5 units. Clear, guys? So as you can see the data, right? Immediately we should know that 3, 4, 5. Clear? First one, there are 3 vectors. So whenever we use vector law of addition for 3 vectors, what do we have actually? Basically we have a particular triangle, and if the sides are given as 3, 4, 5, then it's obvious 100% there will be a right angle triangle. Clear? So in the nutshell what I can say, basically I have a right angle triangle. Basically I have a right angle triangle. So draw the vector A. This one is our vector A. This one will be our vector B. I have drawn the first vector, then the second vector, then I will connect the starting point to the ending point, and this is our resultant vector, which I will write down as C. What is the value of C? C comes out to be A plus B. Problem is done. Very simple problem. What will be our final answer? Final answer would be pi by 2. Clear, guys? Our final answer is pi by 2. Okay, tell me the next one. Right angle triangle. Okay, Bhargav, absolutely right. Good. Aman, done. That's good. Siddhi, yes, you have already done this. That's a good thing. Okay, Siddhi is telling me question number 19 is the next one. Chalo bhai, sab ye scooter wala hai. Okay. Okay, but before solving question number 19, see, this is the interesting one, guys. Tell me what is the answer of question number 19. Let me know the answer. Clear? How many students are there? 57. यार कल तो 58 थे, एक गायब हो गया. See here, guys, just let me know what is the answer. Okay, see here. Nikita, I am confused. Okay, no problem, Nikita. We are here to be confused for entire 2 years. उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. कंफ्यूजन बढ़ता ही रहेगा. जीवन है, चलता है. जीवन में कंफ्यूजन होते रहते हैं. Okay, so see here, Nikita, I will do the discussion and then you will understand it. Don't worry about it. Okay. Okay, see here, so many students are answering me A part is the right answer. Okay, एक बार देख लेता हूँ मैं. 20 meter per second southeastern direction. Guys, do you have any idea like what does it mean southeastern? Okay, Nikita, Srishti, Nikita, yes sir. Okay, that's good. Southeastern. Bhargav is telling me A part. Ranjit is telling me A part. Srishti, I'm asking about option. Okay, you are trying to say like you know what is southeastern. That's good. Okay, what is the question? 10 meter per second run. पहले ईस्ट में जा रहा है फिर राइट में जाता है. ठीक है. Okay, Rishabh is telling me C part. Okay guys, I can see there are 57 students. देखो एक और ड्रॉप हो गया 56. चला गया नेटफ्लिक्स पे. देख रहा है ये अल्ट्रा को. तो लोग बहुत. Okay, D part. Few students are there who are answering me D part is the right answer. Chaitanya is telling me D part. Mushfiq is D part. Aman is D part. Okay guys. Okay guys, I told you I need answers. Whenever I ask question, all the students are supposed to answer, right? Users 56. ये 20 मिनट में कहाँ जाए? अब देखो 55 हो गए. What is going on? Okay. Aishwarya, D part, Suyash, A part. Okay. So see, a majority of the students are answering me like A part or D part. A part or C part. A part or C part. See here, this question is a tricky one. Okay. Concepts are same. Same concept will apply over here also. But okay, Aryan is telling me A part is the right answer. Okay, guys. Good. Siddhi is telling me A part. Nice, Siddhi. Samiksha, D part. Okay. Sister, sometimes net connection are slow. Yes, when they refresh, they got disconnected. Yes, I give the same argument. मैं भी अपने मम्मी पापा से यही कहता था, मम्मी नेट स्लो या पापा जो भी. Okay. But yes, sister, you are right. Nobody is watching Netflix. Obviously, all of you guys are very, very serious to your future, right? All of you are having Netflix, net problem, right? Okay, sister, I got it. You guys have Netflix. Net problem. I mean. Okay, Shivam, D is confirmed. Okay, Shivam is telling me D is confirmed. Okay, Ranjit. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, that's good. Okay, guys. So see here, I think maximum students has answered me till now. Right now we are here and we are ready to see the solution. All of us are ready. Okay, okay, that's good. Okay. So see here, let me read the question for you guys and then let's see the solution. चलो हो गया. अब बोर्ड पे देखते हैं इसका आंसर क्या बन गया. अरे बोर्ड गंदा हो गया. Okay, so here question number 19. Let's start with question number 19. See here, the question is like this: a scooter is going due east. That's what I told you. This one is the east direction. Because whenever we talk about on paper, here on paper directions are always fixed. Okay. So if you talk, see here, this one will be our east direction. This is our west direction. This one is north and this one is south. Always remember, on paper it's always fixed. हमेशा जो directions होंगी they will be always fixed. And what they are saying, a scooter going due east. Guys, remember due east simply means towards east. So if he is saying due east, so the scooter is moving towards east like this. Clear? Okay. तो एक काम करते हैं, आप देख लो, सपोज कर लो कुछ इस तरह की सिचुएशन है. Okay, something like this. Suppose here we have a scooter. Okay, and there is a person. Okay, ठीक है, assume कर लो, that's all. Okay, a scooter going due east at 10 meters per second turns right through an angle 90 degrees. See here, if this is our person, suppose करो ये अपने person है, and always remember what is the name of the person, Mr. A. Okay, yes, sister, your answer is right. He is Mr. A. And remember, guys, he is the one of the most important person right now in your life, because throughout entire physics, entire 2 years, Mr. A will be with you here, and he will let you understand like basic concepts of physics. Okay, Mr. A. Okay, somebody is saying something. Aman is saying something. Okay, Aman, just do it fast. I'm just waiting for you. I'm just waiting for your response. Aman, what are you trying to say? He will make us learn physics. Obviously, Aman. Right. That's why he is the key person. पूरी फिजिक्स में आपके साथ रहेंगे. लेकिन एक काम करते हैं, मिस्टर ए को अभी थोड़ा सा इनको आराम करने को देते हैं, बिकॉज फ्रॉम काइनेमेटिक्स ऑनवर्ड्स ही विल ऑलवेज बी विद यू. हियर, राइट, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, एब्सोल्युटली. So see here, what they are saying, a scooter going due east, I already told you, due east means simply towards east. Clear, guys? So a scooter going due east at 10 meters per second. This is the direction of east. And the initial velocity, this is 10 meters per second. Okay, guys, ठीक है. Turns right. अब यार यहाँ पर देखो, right का मतलब क्या है? See here, if it is moving like this, right hand side will be in downward direction. Always remember this. अगर आप इस तरीके से move कर रहे हैं, if you turn like this, it is the left one. And because you are watching this on a particular screen, तो हो सकता है कि आपको थोड़ा सा reverse direction में दिखाई दे. Clear? मतलब exactly I'm not sure, but if you draw the same diagram on your copy or on your notebook, then you will understand this. If it is moving like this, right turn means downward, left turn means upward. So if he is taking a right turn, so this will be the final velocity, which comes out to be 10 meters per second. Okay, everyone, this one is clear to all of you. What is the meaning of right turn and what is the meaning of left turn? This is the most important section. Just let me know if you are not able to understand this. If you are not able to understand this, just draw the diagram in your copy or notebook. क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है स्क्रीन में मिरर इमेज because it's working like a mirror image, so it's possible कि आपको exactly उल्टा दिखाई दे रहा होगा. Okay, shall you understand? Dimple understand? Okay, Dimple, I am first time seeing you, and I hope कि next time you will answer me regularly. Soumya, okay, clear. Bhargav, clear. Suyash, clear. Okay, ठीक है, that's right. Good. Okay, okay, guys. So first of all, we are able to understand what is the meaning of right turn. So I am moving like this. Right turn simply means this will be the angle 90 degree. Clear, guys? Okay. Okay, that's clear. Sidhi clear, Chaitanya clear, Utkarsh clear. So this is our final velocity, that is 10 meter per second. And see what they are asking. They are asking about the change in the velocity of the scooter. What we are trying to find out? We are trying to find out the change in the velocity of the scooter. So guys, always remember, change का मतलब क्या होता है भाई साहब? Change simply means difference. Whenever they are asking like change in velocity, change in momentum, change in force, change in anything, change is always final minus initial. Clear, guys? So if I want to find out the change, I will write down delta V equals to V final minus V initial. Okay, once again let me ask you a question. How many of you think that change will be zero? Guys, I told you in the last class, change will never be zero. Right? So don't make it like 10 minus 10 equals to 0. Don't make it like 10 minus 10 equals to 0. Clear, guys? Because what I told you in the last class yesterday, right? In last class I told you velocity is a vector quantity. So whatever process you are performing, you have to perform it in a vector manner. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Yes, it depends upon direction, right? So first we have to represent it into vector format, and then we will do the subtraction. Look at the board. What is final velocity? See here. If I want to write it down in vector format, 10 meter per second direction downwards means final velocity is minus 10 j cap. So what I will write down? I will write down minus 10 j cap. If you look at initial velocity is 10 meter per second. So in each direction, I will write down V initial in vector format as 10 I cap. So minus 10 j cap minus 10 I cap. Clear, guys? So this is the change in velocity that comes out to be minus 10 I cap minus 10 K. तो यार यहाँ तक तो सभी लोगों ने कैलकुलेट कर लिया होगा. See here, up to here, I think all the students would be able to solve this question. Up to this step, all of you will be able to solve this question, right? But after this, once we are talking about direction, right? Direction is the key. Direction थोड़ा सा tricky है. ध्यान से देखना है इसको. Point number one, observation number one. If you look at the options A, B, C, and D, what do we find out? In our options, we don't have I cap, we don't have J cap, which simply means we are supposed to calculate the magnitude of the change in velocity. Here, guys. So that's why यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. If you look at our option, हमारे option में I cap and J cap are absent. We have only numbers, and because we have only numbers, that's why we are supposed to calculate magnitude. So let's do this. Let's talk about magnitude. What was the formula of magnitude of a vector? Simple. Under root I component का square plus under root J component square. If you look carefully, what is the I coefficient? I coefficient is minus 10. So minus 10 square plus what is J coefficient? J coefficient is minus 10. So I will write down minus 10 square. See here. I coefficient is minus 10, J coefficient is minus 10. So what I will write down minus 10 square plus minus 10 square, and all of us know minus 10 square अगर हम करेंगे that will turn out to be positive. So what is its value? This value comes out to be under root 100 plus under root 100, which comes out to be under root 200, and this is 10 under root 2. Now once again look at the options. Okay, once again if you look at the options here, guys, what I told you in our basic class, if you remember, कोई भी आंसर का आउटकम स्टैंडर्ड नहीं होता. There is no standard form of answers, right? Everything depends upon options. So if you ask me whether 10 root 2 is right or wrong, I say absolutely right. But if you look at the options, 10 root 2 is also absent. Clear? So what we have to do? We have to do some further calculation because root 2 is not there. So that's why we are supposed to substitute the value of root 2. That comes out to be 1.414. So let's do this. कई बार ऐसा होता है स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है यार 10 रूट 2 आ गया, आंसर अपना मैच नहीं हुआ, क्लियर है, फिर वो डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं, है ना। तो ऐसा नहीं करना। रूट 2 1.414 which comes out to be 14.14 meter per second. Okay, at least we got something. Finally guys, at least in the end we got something, 14.14 meter per second. Okay, now let's talk about the options. Okay, Chaitanya is now trying to tell me something. Yes, Chaitanya. Okay, Aman. Okay. See here, if you question number 19, actually it's D part, 14.14 meter per second southwest direction. Okay, very good. 120 degree. Okay, Nikta is telling me 120 degree. I got it right. Okay, Aman, that's good. But see here, the point is different. Here, what is going on? The point is slightly different. What I am trying to say. Okay, guys, just let me know what I am typing. That's all. And then now, see here, 14.14 was quite easy, guys. 14.14 was quite easy. Why it was easy? क्योंकि केवल D option ऐसा option है in which change in velocity is given as 14.14 meter per second. Okay, Siddhi, no problem. You will make it right. Don't worry. Okay, you got a option, Siddhi. Okay, no problem. That happens. The only thing we must be honest to each other. That's all. Clear? If you get it right, just let me know. If you have done something wrong, then also just let me know. Okay? Because I told you we are not here to be perfect. We are here to commit mistakes. And if we will make mistake only, then we can correct it. Right, guys? Okay, no problem. Aryan, Aboli, okay, no problem. Okay, yes, that is the point. That is the important point. That's the million dollar question, like how to find out the direction. Okay, that is the tricky one. डायरेक्शन के ऊपर ही आ रहा हूं मैं, बस थोड़ी देर पहले मैं तुम लोग का बस रिस्पॉन्स देख रहा हूं. Okay, actually I told you at the starting of the discussion, like this question is a tricky one. Okay guys, good, very good. ठीक है अमन. Okay, see here. Now the main point is like how to find out the direction. See here, to solve this question, solving was very easy. Why? Because we have only one option, that is D option, in which 14.14 number is present. But suppose if your options are like this, let me read the options. Suppose in A part, instead of 20 meter per second, they say simply like 14.14 in south direction. B part 14.14 in east direction. C part 14.14 in northwest direction. Then in that particular case, a lot of confusion will arise, right guys? Clear? So that's why we must know like how to find out the direction. Clear guys? Okay, Shwes is telling me, sir, I got confused because of direction. Okay, no problem. Okay, Sisti, I hope it's visible to you right now. Okay, just copy it, just do it fast so that I can tell you like how to find out the direction. Clear guys? Just copy it, everybody. You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 10. It's over. Okay, I'm just joking. Just let me know whether you have done it. Just let me know. Okay guys, everybody just copy it because I told you it's a tricky question. So just copy it and let me know when all of you are done with it. Okay, so I hope everybody is done with this. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, मैं काम करता हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे करता हूँ, ठीक है? See how to find out the direction. Now, finding out the direction is not a new phenomenon. First, let me tell you guys, finding out the direction is not a new phenomenon. We already know like how to find out the direction of vectors. How? Guess and tell me. How to find out the direction? Any guess? Like how to proceed? I'm just asking the like direction. Okay guys? Just let me know how to guess the direction. Like which concept we are supposed to apply? Okay, so is giving me answer like okay, just we have to see the unit vector. Okay, no, sister, unit vector will not do in this case. Okay, few more students. Sufyan is telling me to find axis. अरे भाई साहब, axis के बिना तो कुछ possible ही नहीं है. सारी कहानी की शुरुआत ही axis से होती है ना, जैसे हिंदी मूवीज में होता है. First villain comes, then he shoots the hero's father or mother or sister. उसके बाद पूरी फिल्म खड़ी होती है ना? Revenge film we are talking about. Okay, just a minute, guys. Okay, tan theta. See, okay, RM is telling me see the direction of the resultant. Okay. I'm just looking at your options. Just a minute, guys. Milind sir. Milind sir, कुछ कह रहे थे क्या? Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, see here. Okay, see here. I'm having few right answers. That's good. Okay, Bhargav is right. RN is right. Everything will depend upon. Okay, RN is right. Siddhi is also right. See here, everything will depend upon the direction of the resultant. Clear, guys? तो हमें क्या करना है? We are not supposed to do anything new. We are supposed to follow only vector law of addition. Clear, guys? Will depend upon I cap, J cap, and K cap. Okay, see. Sister, see here, what I am trying to say, okay, that's I cap and J cap is perfectly fine. But what I am trying to convey to you guys, whenever you are supposed to find out the direction, always go for vector law of addition. Once you follow vector law of addition, everything would be crystal clear. Okay? So let's see and let's go for vector law of addition. Clear, guys? Okay, Aman. Okay, right. So see here, first, let's try to understand this thing. What is this? Let's try to do a little bit analysis of change in velocity. See here, it comes out to be minus 10 I cap minus 10 j cap. Okay, now see here. What is the tricky part over here? Minus 10 I cap minus 10 j cap. These vectors are in the form of subtraction or addition. Another tricky question. Minus 10 I cap and minus 10 j cap. They are in the form of addition or subtraction. Okay, Sisti, yes. Addition. Okay, Sisti, this was also a tricky question, but your answer is right. Addition. Actually, it's an addition. Okay, guys. Wow. That's a very nice response. क्या बात है? तुम लोग तो बड़े समझदार हो. और आप guys are so much intelligent. वाला मैं देख रहा हूँ. मैं first time I'm looking. मतलब what happens ना? Except this batch, whenever I ask this question, generally what happens, my students look at this particular expression, they see minus sign over there, and they immediately say, "नहीं ये तो सर subtraction है." Okay, guys, all of you are right. It's addition. That's a nice thing. That's a nice observation actually. So many things are happening first time in this batch, right? So I will write it down like this: plus minus 10 j cap, which simply implicates here we have two vectors. The first one is minus 10 I cap and the second one is minus 10 j cap, and what we are doing, we are simply adding minus 10 I cap plus minus 10 j cap. Now what was our vector law of addition? Draw the first vector, then the second vector, then connect the starting point to the ending point, and we have our resultant vector. New generation. Okay, new generation. What about last year students? They were old generation. मतलब एक साल के अंदर आप न्यू हो गए और एक साल के अंदर वो ओल्ड हो गया. मतलब इट्स अ गुड बैच. व्हाट इज बेसिक पॉइंट भार्गव ना? इट्स अ गुड बैच. व्हाट आई एम गेसिंग सिंस लास्ट फ्यू डेज, जब से बैच तुम्हारा शुरू हुआ है, देयर आर सो मेनी. ओके, यू आर मोर एडवांस. ओके, ठीक, चलो ठीक है, उसमें नहीं जाते. अभी बहुत लंबी स्टोरी बची हुई है. ठीक है, कहानी बहुत लंबी है. तो व्हाट आई विल से, चेंज इन वेलोसिटी दैट इज minus 10 I cap plus minus 10 j cap. Follow vector law of addition. What was our vector law of addition? See here, guys. This is our coordinate system. I hope it's visible. It's visible. Yes. एक मिनट रुको, चेक कर लेता हूँ. Okay, guys, it's visible. Okay, no problem. So see here. Okay, it's visible. Perfectly visible. No problem. Shivani is laughing. Okay, but there are. Okay, Siddhi is trying to say something, but there are two negative signs, so it will be positive next week. नहीं, अगर सिद्धि आप माइनस, ओके ठीक है, सिद्धि बेसिकली व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, यू आर टेकिंग माइनस साइन एज कॉमन, राइट? We are taking minus sign as common, so that's why we are having both of them as in terms of positive sign, right? Good. Okay, that's good, very good. So see here, what I will do, I can simply say I have two vectors. See here, guys. Now this is the important part. See here, look at the board. Okay, we have two vectors. I can assume my first vector A, or let us assume P, क्योंकि हर बार P लेकर के चले. P is minus 10 I cap and another vector Q is minus 10 j cap. अब यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखो, if you have first vector as minus 10 I cap, which simply means magnitude would be 10 and direction will be towards minus x axis. Okay, right and true, that's right. So we have first vector, this will be minus 10 I cap. Clear, guys? This is our first vector and this is minus 10 I cap. Let me rub this one so that, see here, this is the first vector. अब इसमें मुझे क्या करना है, second vector ऐड करना है. Now look here, what is the second vector? The second vector is minus 10 j cap. Clear है? First vector is minus 10 I cap. In minus 10 I cap we are supposed to add minus 10 j cap. Clear, guys? What about minus 10 j cap? Minus 10 j cap simply means magnitude would be 10 and direction will be towards minus y direction. So I will write down something like this. This one is minus 10 j. Clear? See here, simply following vector law of addition. This is my first vector, this is my second vector. Now what I will do, I will connect the starting point to the ending point. And this will be the resultant vector which will be called as delta v. Now see, this will be our resultant vector that we will call delta v. Clear, guys? Okay, just look at this step. Okay, clear. So see here, now finding out the direction is quite easy. See here, how is that possible? This is east direction, this one is west direction, this one is north direction, this one is south direction. Clear, guys? So as you can see, this is 10, this one is also 10. Clear? So if you calculate the angle, suppose this angle is theta. ये triangle assume कर लो O, this is A, this is B. तो इस triangle में अगर तुम tan theta calculate करोगे, see here, what is the value of tan theta? This length is 10. And the base is also 10, so it is 1. So it's quite obvious, if tan theta comes out to be 1, the angle of theta must be equal to 45 degree, because tan 45 comes out to be 1. So our answer is theta comes out to be 45 degree. Okay. अब always remember, this total angle is 90 degree. And if this theta is 45, so this is 45. So in that case we can say that this is the bisector. ये जो है डेल्टा v, ये इसका क्या है, bisector. और जब कोई भी वेक्टर किसी भी क्वाड्रेंट को बाइसेक्ट करता है, then we can simply call it like this, south west direction or west south direction. Clear, guys? Because it's lying in third quadrant. In third quadrant we have direction as west and south. So this resultant vector is present between south and west, so we can simply call it southwest direction. West south कहोगे तो भी चलेगा. Okay, see here, if I call this west south, actually in your option it's given as southwest direction, right? Okay, that's good. In your options, see here guys, I'm just asking you a question. In your options it's given as southwest direction. What will happen if I call it west south direction? It will be right or wrong? Okay, Siddhi, it's clear, that's good. Ranjit, it's clear. Guys, just follow my question, and if there are any student who has any doubt, just let me know in the chat box. Clear? Okay, no idea. Okay, Aman, what happened? No idea, get idea, 10 rupees. Okay, ठीक है. No, it would be, okay, see here. Okay, ठीक है. Okay. So see here, I'm having few responses like Siddhi is telling me right. Sisti, no, it will be wrong. Harshal, it will be wrong. Nikita, right. Dimple is telling me wrong. That's good. Ardita, right. Utkarsh right, Swani right. Aman right. Okay, Bhargav right. Wrong. Okay, see here. So you can say 50% are telling me that this is right and 50% are telling me that this is wrong. Okay, Mukul got a different one. Sir, I think it doesn't matter. Mukul is telling me it doesn't matter. Actually, it's a very famous song. You remember this song? Just by looking at your words, I remember a particular song. It's a very famous song. Anyone can guess it? Which song we are talking about? Obviously, right. Yes, I know. Sister, which song? Actually, it doesn't matter. It's a very famous song, yeah. From an international. Alright, okay. Sister, you told me that you know it. Okay, जल्दी से बता दो फिर हम लोग इसके ऊपर भी आ रहे हैं. इसको भी अपने को फिनिश करना है. Okay. Nilaksha, Aryan don't know. Okay, that's not a problem at all. Siddhi, right. Okay, ठीक है. यार सॉन्ग के बारे में जल्दी से बता दो, नहीं तो मैं बता करके इसको फटाफट बता दो. Song by Wyclef Jean. Okay, Wyclef Jean, I don't. यार मैंने तो नहीं सुना शायद. Wyclef Jean. Wyclef Jean. Okay, I will Google it. Wyclef Jean. Okay. Okay, Shreyas is trying to say something. Nikita, yes. Okay. Okay, see here, Lincoln's Park. I tried so hard, but got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Okay, that is LP. That is LP. Lincoln's Park. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and went so far. But in the end, doesn't even matter. It's a very famous song. Try to listen to it. Okay, so let's come back to our topic. Yes, I told you that, Nikita. LP, Lincoln's Park. I tried so hard, but got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Bhargav, believe me, if I started singing over here, now all of you guys will simply log out from IT Point. You will throw your laptop in the street, and you can do suicide also. Anything is possible. I'm just like a terrible singer, okay? मुझे सुनना पसंद है, गाना नहीं पसंद है. Okay, see here. तो यहाँ पे देखो, what was our basic question? Okay, look here, guys. Now focus. Everybody, just focus. Okay. Yes, I don't like singing. ठीक है. I like singing, but people don't like to listen to me when I am singing. That's the problem. लोग को हार्ट अटैक तक हो जाता है, दौरे पड़ जाते हैं लोग को. Okay. So see here, what is going on? So what the question was whether we can represent it like this. Like in our option it's like southwest. In our option it's like southwest. Clear? And I asked you whether we can say it west south. So what I'm talking about representing it like this: 14.14 meter per second west south. Is it right or wrong? Answer is it's also right. Final answer is it's also right. It's not, it's technically it's right. But see here in physics you have some momentum. Like कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जिनको आप उसी तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे अगर आप फोर्स की बात करते हैं, तो इफ यू वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट फोर्स यू सिंपली राइट डाउन कैपिटल F. क्या फोर्स को अगर हम V से रिप्रेजेंट करें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम है? आंसर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. बट इट्स अ जनरल ट्रेडिशन. ओके, ट्रेडिशन है कि फोर्स को आप कैपिटल F से ही लिखते हैं. That's why we always write down force by capital F. Clear? ऐसा फिजिक्स में कोई रूल नहीं है कि फोर्स को अपने को कैपिटल F से ही लिखना है. But because from so many generations, it's a standard. Like whenever you want to represent a physical quantity like force, you are supposed to use the symbol capital F, right, guys? So that's why it's a way of tradition, right? It's a tradition. Like write it down. We are not supposed to write it down like west and south. We are supposed to write it down like southwest. Clear? So all of us have tradition, na? Clear? Like simply just take it from your usual day. Suppose you are sitting in your home and your mom has cooked you like chole bhature or something. ठीक है? तो generally what do? You eat chola bhature के साथ आप खाते हो, right? And in the end you drink water and you take some salad and something, right, guys? ऐसा तो नहीं करते ना, पहले पानी पी लिया, फिर छोला खा लिया, उसके बाद फिर भटूरे पेट के अंदर डाल लिए और सबसे लास्ट में सैलड डाल दिया. In the end, what will happen in the stomach? Everything is same. Clear, guys? In stomach, order doesn't matter. Clear? First you can drink water, then you can eat chole, then you can eat bhature, then you can eat salad. In the end, inside your stomach, everything is same. But yes, we have a chronological order, right? A particular sequence, a particular tradition, right? First we will take bhatura, फिर उसके साथ छोला, फिर उसके साथ पानी, है ना? We have a tradition, we have a particular sequence, right, guys? Okay. Bhargav, sir, yes, Bhargav, actually I am also hungry, I am also so hungry, ठीक है? Suddenly मुझे छोले भटूरे का मैंने वो दिया, अभी मैं मिले सर को बोलता हूँ, सर मिलेंगे तो बुला देना, लॉकडाउन चल रहा है यार, मिलेगा नहीं, that is the basic thing, ठीक है? बहुत दिन हो गए, but ठीक है, it's okay, let's come back to our point. Okay. Don't feel hungry, just wait for a few seconds. All of you guys are sitting in your home. Just tell your mom or dad that actually in every home there is a different tradition. So whoever cooks, like mom cooks or dad cooks, depends upon house to house. Okay? Just tell them to prepare your chole and bhature for you guys. Okay? Okay. So that was all. Okay, I think, okay, let's come back to the point. We had a lot of discussion, okay, ranging from rappers to international rap brands, basically like LP, ठीक है? फिर हम लोग आगे भाई साहब छोले भटूरे पे, अब हम लोग दोबारा आते हैं बर्गर पे, जो अपना मेन काम है, ठीक है? Okay, first tell me guys, I'm not going to cook, right? Okay. See here. No, generally I don't cook chole bhature and those things. I like French fries, so whenever I want to eat something spicy, I make French fries or potato fries at my home. Okay. First you study. Okay. Obviously you are supposed to eat and study. That's all. For rest of the things, your parents are over there. Okay guys, so I hope question number 19 was the last one. Just let me know, this one was the final. Okay, question number 20. See, okay, see here guys, so many questions are remaining. So let's talk about question number 20. But before that, just let me know how many students solved it. Question number 20. अरे यार ये तो काफी tough हो गया भाई. Okay, how many of you solved question number 20? What was your answer? Okay, Nikita is telling me 20 का 120 degree. Okay, that's it. Okay, 60 is telling me answer E. E is not there. 60 only A, B, C, D there. Okay, C here. Nikita is telling me 120 degrees. 60, I can't see E option over there. Nikita is telling me D. Okay, 60 is once again telling me second part. Okay. Shally is telling me 120 degree. Ajita, okay, you did not understand. That's okay, Ajita. That's totally fine. No problem. Or in Spanish, I can say no problem. Utkarsh unable to solve. No problem. It's okay. D is correct. Okay, Aryan is telling me D is correct. I'm just looking at the options you guys got while solving this question. 60 problem. Okay, yes, that's right. No problem. Okay. Vrinda, you not solved it. Okay, did not understand. Okay, Ranjit is telling me he is a little bit confused. It's okay, it happens. Confusion occurs. Anisha, that's why we are here. अगर confusion ही नहीं होगा तो हम नई चीजें कैसे सीखेंगे? Anisha not understand. Siddhesh, okay, Siddhesh telling me 120 degrees. That's good. Okay, what about rest of the guys? I can say, okay, 57 users are there, but only 10 to 15 students are there who are answering me continuously. Rest of the guys are okay. Aman is telling me 120 degrees. That's good. D part. Okay. So Aryan, I understand. Okay. So see here, maximum students are answering me either B part or D part. So guys, let's find it out. Like which option is the right one? Clear? First, let me write down the information. See here, starting is a crucial step. Okay. So see here, how to start solving the question. Question number 20 is like this: two forces, 3 Newton and 2 Newton. So I will say my first force P is of 3 Newton, and another force Q is of 2 Newton, and they are present at an angle theta. So let me assume this is vector P and this is vector Q and this angle is theta. Okay, let me have a little bit explanation. See here guys, what is going on? First, they are saying like they have two vectors P and Q. Their magnitude is 3 Newton. Q has magnitude 2 Newton. And the angle between the vectors, as you can see, this is the angle is theta. Clear? Now what they are saying? They are saying the first is increased to 6 Newton. Now we have a tricky language. Okay. अच्छा पहले first case में देखो. Before solving any question, the most important part is writing down the data. If you are able to understand the question, then write down the data. अगर data को आपने सही तरीके से लिखा है, 99% problem is already solved. मैंने क्या कहा? If you are able to analyze the data, if you are able to process the data, then 99% problem is already over. So see here, and suppose in the first case, the resultant of P and Q is given as R. Now what is going on? The first is now increased to 6 Newton. And the resultant becomes 2R. See here, what is going on? First, P first is increased to 6 Newton. Okay guys, so let me ask. If the first one is increased to 6 Newton, what will be the final value of P? It will be 6 plus 3, that comes out to be 9 Newton, or it will be simply 6 Newton. Okay, that's the answer for you guys. Just let me know in the chat box. Okay, Utkarsh is telling me 9 because Utkarsh is doing what? Utkarsh is simply adding 3 plus 6, that comes out to be 9. Okay. Aryan 9, Sherry 9, Shishti 9, Aman 9. Okay, ठीक है. So maximum students are telling me that the final value should be 9. Okay guys. Okay, everyone. You are supposed to answer. Okay. Urjita is saying 6. Okay, so many students are there who are telling me no sir, 9 is not possible, 6 is the right answer. Okay, ठीक है. Nikita is telling me 6, Suresh is telling me 6. अरे 66 तो possible ही नहीं है भाई साहब. कौन है ये? चैतन्य. Chaitanya, finally 6. How is it possible from 6 to 66? Chaitanya, can you tell me your answer once again because I am a little bit confused. Okay, I'm just asking for you guys. I'm just looking at your options. That's all. Utkarsha. Okay, see, so many students are there. So the whole batch is divided into two categories. Like 50% are telling me that sir 9 is the final answer. And the 50% are telling me that 6 is the final answer. Okay, like Kushi is telling me 9. Okay, Chaitanya. Okay, finally 6. Yes. Okay, what about Siddhi? Siddhi is telling me 9. Rituraj is telling me 6. Tanya is telling me 9. Okay. Disha is telling me 6. Okay, Bhargav. Sir, 6. Bhargav, how is that possible? Yeah. Either 6 is possible or 9 is possible. और कोई नंबर में पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है भाई. Either 6 is possible or 9 is possible. Only two numbers. There are only two numbers which are supposed to be our final answer. Siddhi 9, Bhargav, okay, sir 6. Okay guys, so let me reveal. Right now everybody is supposed to stop. Right now just stop. Okay, let me tell you like how to do the confirmation. Okay guys, okay, see, just wait, hang on for a second guys, just hang on, just stop. Okay. देखो दो तरह की लैंग्वेज तुम लोग को मिलेंगे. फिर Aman is telling me 6. Okay. Tanishka, yes Tanishka, please provide me your answer. I am just waiting for you. Tanishka, you are trying to say something. I can manage few seconds, no problem. Okay, Sisti is telling me 6. Okay. First Sisti, you told me 9. Right now you are telling me 6. Okay. Sir, it is increased to 6. Not while. Okay, that's the point. Suresh, you are absolutely right. Clear? See, Sisti, yes sir, but now I am sure. Okay, Sisti, so you are trying to say like it's your final answer. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, okay guys, everybody just hang on for a second, look at the board, see what is going on. देखो, whenever you are solving the question, you will face two types of word. The first one like 2. जब भी वो बोलेगा the number is increased from 3 to 6, it simply means अगर उसने 2 लगाया है तो 6 is the final value. But if the language is like this, कि the number has been increased by 3 to 9, clear guys? 3 the number has been increased by 3. 2 is the final value. अगर वो by कहता है तो by के केस में हमें values को add करना पड़ेगा. Just like your question was like this. The first is now increased to 6 Newton. तो अगर उसने 2 बोला है तो that is the final value. But if the language is like this, the first is now increased by 6 Newton. तो उस particular case में हमें first में which has 3, we had to add 6 over here. Clear guys? तो अगर उसने 2 कहा that is the final value. और अगर उसने कहा by, in that case अगर by यहाँ पे लिखा होता तो p में मुझे 6 ऐड करना पड़ता एंड हमारी जो फाइनल वैल्यू आती वो फाइनल वैल्यू हो जाती 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Okay, Tanishka, you are disconnected, no problem. Tanishka, see here what I was telling to you guys कि अगर 2 आता है we will consider that as our final value and if suppose by is mentioned over there तो by के केस में हमें वो particular number उसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा ऐड करना पड़ेगा. Clear? Okay, Tanishka, okay, you got it. That's good. ठीक है. तो see here in second case final value of p is 6, q will be still 2 and instead of r now we have 2r. Now see here another observation जो कि आपको समझना है. What about angle? क्या angle अपना change हो रहा है? Answer is no. Angle is still same. They are just doing what? They are simply increasing this vector p. Suppose करो पहले ये 3 यूनिट था, अब इन्होंने वेक्टर p को बढ़ा करके कितना कर दिया 6 यूनिट. So as you can see, if I increasing this value of vector p, there is no change in the angle between the vectors p as well as q. Clear guys? So this is the main point to observe. If you are increasing one of the magnitude of the vectors, there is no change in the angle between the vectors. Clear guys? So see here in second case what do we have? We have something like this. In second case we have vector p as 6 units, vector q as 2 units, angle is still theta and resultant is 2r. So what we will do is simply write down the formula. See here in first case r equals to under root, I will write down p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Clear guys? And in second case what I will write down 2r equals to, see here what was the formula of the resultant? Resultant was equals to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Clear guys? First case में resultant was r, in second case resultant is 2r. तो पहले केस में रिजल्टेंट मैंने r लिखा, सेकंड केस में मैं रिजल्टेंट क्या लिखूंगा 2r. And what I will write down the value of p here 6 and 2 and here I will substitute the values as 3 and 2. So let's see what happens. I will write down r equals to under root p. Instead of p I will write down 3. So 3 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 3 into 2 that comes out to be 12 and this one would be cos theta. Yeah. Here we have 2r. Okay, just a minute. Okay, p square that is 6 square plus q square that is 2 square plus 2pq plus 24 into cos theta. Okay guys. So we have the value as r equals to 9 plus 4 which comes out to be 13 plus 12 cos theta. And here we have 2r equals to 36 plus 4 that is 40 plus 24 cos theta. And remember guys what we are supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out the value of theta. तो अगर theta निकालना है तो simply so many ways are possible. Like what you can do, you can substitute the value of r from here to here. Clear? Okay. तो r की value substitute करके देखते हैं और अपने बोर्ड पे कॉल होगा कि नहीं. Okay, I don't know. Just copy up to here. Everyone, all the students, guys, just copy up to here because I have to rub the board. क्योंकि मैं sure नहीं हूँ, but हो जाएगा. It's okay. ठीक है. Okay, let's look at the board. Just let me check it once again. Done. Okay, that's good. Just let me check the margin of the blackboard. Okay. So I think we can do it. No problem. No problem. Huh? Question number 1. This is equation number 2. So what I am doing, I am simply dividing these two equations. So what I will write down? I will write down r by 2r. Guys, once again, what I am doing? I am simply doing the division. Clear, guys? First equation, I am dividing equation number 1 by equation number 2. Okay. So see here. Okay, it's covered up. I am just looking at the frame. This comes out to be under root 13 plus 12 cos theta whole divided by under root, this one is 40 plus 24 cos theta. Okay, r and r gets cancelled. So what I will do the squaring. दोनों तरफ whole square कर देते हैं. So this is 1 by 4 equals to 13 plus 12 cos theta whole divided by 40 plus 24 cos theta. Okay, do the cross multiplication. So it comes out to be 40 plus 24 cos theta equals to, okay, let me write down equals to over here, 52 plus, do the cross multiplication, plus 48 cos theta. Okay, substitute it. 52 इधर लेके जाओगे तो बचेगा आपका, ये इधर आएगा, तो this is 24 cos theta equals to minus 12. So cos theta equals to minus 1 by 2. And as you guys remember, cos theta equals to minus 1 by 2. I already told you like how to find out the angles. Clear? Okay, just let me see the chat. Okay, yes, Bhargav, that's right. That's absolutely right. Okay, so from here, when you will calculate the angle, theta will be equals to 120 degree. And remember, not only 120, 240 degrees also possible. Clear, guys? Cos theta equals to minus 1 by 2. अगर हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो नॉट ओनली 60 डिग्री, सॉरी 120 डिग्री, 240 डिग्री also possible. Yes, right, Aman. 120 degree, Chaitanya 240. Absolutely right, Aman. Yes, you are also right. Because we have to follow the options also, guys. So, which option is the right one? 120 degree. Final call. 120 degree is the right answer. Okay, guys. This question was also a tricky one. Okay, so all the students, जितने भी अपने भाई बंधु लोग हैं, सभी लोग बोर्ड पे देखें. See here, still if you have any problem, yes, Arun, that's right. 480 degrees is also a possibility, right? Everybody, all the students, please look at the board and see if anyone has any problem. Guys, is there any student who still has any problem? Just let me know. My voice is audible. It's audible to rest of the guys. Yes or no? Okay, completed. Sisti, my voice is audible. Arman, it's audible or not? Okay, Tanish is asking me 120 degree. How is that possible? Okay, just hang on for a second, Tanish. I will let you know. Okay, I am audible. Okay, Harshal, you have problem from second step. From this step? Okay, I'm audible. Dimple, yes. Okay, that's good. Okay, second step, like Harshal is telling me, sir, I have problem from second step. From this side. See here, we have three columns. This is column number 1. This is column number 2. This is column number 3. In which column? Okay, Harshal, I'm not audible. Okay. Rituraj, if I will move aside, how I am supposed to write it down? Just hang on for a second. Okay. मैं कुछ बच्चों का explanation कर देता हूँ. After that, I will move aside. Okay, Harshal, where is Harshal? Sir, from 2R. Okay. No, actually Harshal, I was asking, yeah, this is step. See here, Harshal, what I am trying to say, we have three columns. See how to ask the questions, because you are not present in the class. Guys, everybody see how to ask the question. Like this is the first column. This is the second column. This is the third column. So Harshal, just tell me in which column you have problem. No doubt, that's good. Harshal 2R. या 2R इधर भी है, इधर भी है, इधर भी है. चलो ठीक है, मैं 2R से एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. Okay, second column. Okay, second column. Harshal, I got you confusion. देखो, see Harshal, what was the formula of the resultant? The formula of the resultant was R equals to under root P square, then Q square, then 2P2 cos theta. If you see over here, what is the value of resultant? The value of resultant over here is 2R. Yeah, guys? If I talk to you, in second case, the value of the resultant is 2R. तो हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या था? Resultant equals to under root P square plus Q square plus 2P2 cos theta. But in this case, according to the question, यहाँ पे जो अपना resultant है वो 2R, तो हमने resultant की जगह 2R लिख दिया. सपोज अगर वो कहता है कि रिजल्टेंट अपना 3R है, तो हम यहाँ पे 3R रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. क्लियर? Okay, Aryan, you got it. That's good. That's nice. Okay, Harshal, are you able to understand? Harshal, fine. Harshal, are you able to understand this? What I was trying to say. In question, they are mentioning that in second case the value of the resultant is 2R. Okay, Bhargav, it's clear. Harshal, okay, Harshal, that's nice to see. That's nice to see that you are able to understand this. Okay. Sir, I have doubt in question number 05. Okay, Sisti, just let me see question number 05. Yeah. Okay, see here. Mod of A minus B. Sisti, okay, sir, yes. Okay, Tanish, I am coming to 120 degree, and Sisti, I am coming back to your problem also. Just hang on for a second. Okay, Sisti, I am coming back to you. Tanish, who got problem as 120 degree? Tanish. Okay, Tanish, see here. Tanish, first tell me, you have attended our, you are present in our trigonometry lecture. Tanish, you are present in our trigonometry lecture. Trigonometry आपने अटेंड किया था? Okay, Anisha is telling me, Orjita, you also have a problem. In column 3 step 2, Anisha is telling me column 3 step 2. Okay, it's simple. See Anisha, what is going on ना, हमने R से R कैंसिल कर दिया है, तो इधर क्या बचा 1/2. अब अगर अपने को ये रूट एलिमिनेट करना है तो हमने दोनों साइड की स्क्वायरिंग कर दी. 1/2 का स्क्वायर करोगे 1/4 हो जाएगा. राइट हैंड साइड की स्क्वायरिंग करोगे तो ये रूट और ये रूट दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. Once you are doing the squaring, जो रूट है वो तुम्हारे कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. क्लियर? Okay, I'm talking about Anisha in column 3 step 2. Anisha, your doubt is clear or not? Just let me know. If you are doing squaring, 1/2 turns out to be 1/4 और ये जो रूट है ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. And after this we will do the cross multiplication. Just let me know. Okay, Aryan, that's good, very good. Keep it up, Aryan. Tanish, off starting. Tanish, you were present in our trigonometry lecture or not? Okay, I have a problem in question number 5. Arjita, I will come back to the same problem. Actually, okay, Arjita and Shusti, both of you have problem in question number 5. I am coming back to that problem. Just hang on for a second. Okay, Siddhi also has confusion in question number 5. Aman, sir, answer of 5 is 0 degree. Okay, we will see it. First, I am looking to Tanishq and the rest of the guys. Okay. See guys, what I am trying to say. First of all, I am following this question. First, let's talk about this one. Before ending our section, I want to talk about this one. Okay guys, it's final call. Is there any student who has still any doubt in this section? In solving or anything? I'm just waiting for you guys. Is there any student who still has any problem in this one? Okay, repeat after cross multiplication. Okay, see here, it's simply solving. मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने बहुत ही छोटे से स्टेप में कर दिया है. So that's why हो सकता है आपको थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन आ रहा हो. It's very easy. See here, what I have written. ये मैंने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया है. So I have written 40 plus 24 cos theta. This comes out to be 52 plus 48 cos theta. अब एक काम करो, cos theta को इधर लेके जाओ, 52 को इधर लेकर के जाओ. So I will write down 40 minus 52 equals to 48 cos theta minus 24 cos theta. So here you can say it comes out to be minus 12, and here it turns out to be 24 cos theta. This is our expression, and from here we get cos theta equals to minus 1/2. Okay guys, so Nilaksha, I think Nilaksha had a problem. Yes, I never told you to solve question number 5, but because few students are asking me, so I will just explain to them. Okay, Nilaksha, Anisha, okay, Siddhi, okay, just let me see. Okay, Aryan, that's fine. Confusion to question number 5. Okay, sir, repeat. Okay, Nilaksha, yes. Nilaksha, tell me right now you are Comfortable or not? Right now, I hope you are able to understand this. Nilaksha, I'm just waiting for your confirmation, right? Okay, Nikita. Harshal sir, I have some doubt in basic mathematics. Okay, Harshal, I will clear it. No problem at all. We will do it, Harshal. In basic mathematics, whatever additional problems you have, you just talk to Milind sir, okay? You can WhatsApp your problems to Milind sir. He will WhatsApp me, I will send you guys the solution, okay? Okay, sir, math, figure class. Okay, Tanishka, see here, because you have started in the middle of trigonometry, that's why Tanishka आपको थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, clear? तो जो भी आपकी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की प्रॉब्लम है वो मैं आपको अलग से क्लियर करूंगा. All the students, remember guys, all the students who has missed a few lectures, try to manage some time. Talk to Milind sir. कुछ भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, आपने कुछ लेक्चर्स मिस किए हैं, मिलिंद सर के साथ आप कांटेक्ट में रहें. हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे कि जो भी आपका मिसिंग पोर्शन है उसको कंप्लीट करें. उसको हम ऑनलाइन भी कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, एज वेल एज वी कैन कंप्लीट इट ऑफलाइन आल्सो. लाइक यू कैन समडे, इफ यू कैन मैनेज, यू कैन कम टू आईटी पॉइंट एंड यू कैन इंटरेक्ट विद द फैकल्टीज आल्सो. सर मैंने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री क्लास 20 से शुरू किया. तनिष, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. विल डू इट डेफिनेटली, नो प्रॉब्लम. Okay, Harshal, I told you we can do it online as well as Harshal we can do it offline also. Remember, there is no rush. So talk to Milind sir, and if you have more doubts, you feel free to come to ID point also. Okay, just wear mask वगैरह पहन के आना. बाकी ये फ्रंट गेट पे टेम्परेचर लेने के लिए पूरा अरेंजमेंट इन्होंने कर रखा है, सो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Okay, just a minute, sir. When do you remain I? Okay, Aaron, I am not following you. Okay, guys, it's final call. We are about to end the session because chemistry. We have our chemistry lecture also. Okay, guys, I will provide you my contact number also. That's not a big deal. ठीक है? Just talk to Milind sir. He will give it to you. Okay. Question number 5. Okay guys, just hang on for a second. It's final call, guys. It's final call. In this section, still if there is any student who has any problem, just let me know. किसी भी स्टूडेंट को कोई प्रॉब्लम है इस सेक्शन में, I hope it's clear to you. I hope. Okay, Sisti, Siddhi, Aman. I'm coming to question number 05, but just for this question, okay, no doubt. Okay, I hope in this question you don't have any doubt. Okay, guys. Okay, so yes, okay, that's good. Yeah, that's nice to see. All of you guys are amazing, right? सबको समझ में आ रहा है. बस ये इसी को कहते हैं ईश्वर का चमत्कार. In the class, if all the students are able to understand it, है ना? Okay, ठीक है. चलो अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 05 पे. Okay, तो see here, क्वेश्चन नंबर 05. देखो, ये जो मॉड ऑफ a माइनस b दिया गया है, इसकी वैल्यू हम लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट इट डाउन a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab cos थीटा. Okay, see here, especially Siddhi, Sakshi, Amal, all the students who were asking me about. Yeah, sure. I will provide you guys, no problem at all. ठीक है? Arisha, I will let you know. Okay. See here, let's talk about question number 05. Okay, let's talk about question number 05. Sisti, Samiksha, I think Siddhi and Aman. See here guys, इसको हम कहते हैं subtraction of vector. Generally what we call this, just like we have seen addition of vectors, remember there you had mod of a plus b. Here we will call this subtraction of vector mod of a minus b, and it turns out to be a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Clear guys? Okay. तो बस एक काम करना, जो भी वैल्यूज है वो इस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूले में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देना. नाउ योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ओके, मुशफिक गॉट इज 60 डिग्री, देन इट विल बी राइट. Okay, Siddhi, I don't know about the answer. I will confirm the answer in next class. See here guys, in next class, I will let you know like how to find out this formula mod of a minus b equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Clear guys? in next class I will let you know like how to find out this formula. Clear? We'll do the derivation like how to find out this formula. For this class, just substitute the values in this formula and you will find out the solution. Okay guys, our time is over. So there is looking value, just relation is given. So there is no any value, just relations are given. See here. What they are saying, mod of a plus b, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो mod of a minus b का मैग्नीट्यूड है वही a का मैग्नीट्यूड है, वही a b का मैग्नीट्यूड है. So see, अच्छा मैं कर ही देता हूँ. Mod of a minus b की जगह I can write down a. Instead of a I can write down a and instead of b also I can write down a. Minus 2a square cos theta. यार सस्पेंस खत्म कर दिया 62 में. Okay, see here. So mod of a minus b, instead of mod of a minus b, you can write down a. So see, are you clear? Okay. So guys, that was all from today's class. Okay, I hope all of you are able to understand today's class. See you tomorrow. Okay. We'll see some theoretical portion and then we will see some numerical portion. Yes, right. So many ways are possible. Okay guys, bye bye, take care. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye, have a great day. Bye bye. Your next class will start after 5 minutes. बच्चों 5 मिनट के अंदर आपकी क्लास शुरू होने वाली है, so just be ready.